LeadsLeap is my favorite list page and funnel builder. I use it a ton, and today I'm bringing to you the Affiliate Success Trilogy funnel that you can duplicate. It will do two main things for you. First, it will build your email list as you will be duplicating these pages and setting up your own email list. Second, it will follow up automatically with your subscribers for 10 days, sending them back to your thank you page where they can learn valuable secrets for free, download 3 quality reports, and probably follow you on the passive income programs recommended on the thank you page. And this will earn you recurring commissions. And of course, if they decide to duplicate this funnel, you will earn up to $440 per sale. So now, first let me show you how it works, and then I will show you how to set it up. So here is a quick overview. This is a 100% done for you system. You import the 2 pages, capture page and thank you page, and rebrand all the buttons with your own affiliate links. And most of these programs offer you recurring commissions. On the capture page as well, you can rebrand these 3 buttons at the bottom so that you might earn recurring commissions from them. And after that, you import this pop-up form and connect it to the button here so that people can subscribe to your own email list. After that, you need to set up your list and import the 10 follow-up email series though. So there will be 11 in total. 1 is the welcome email, the first one, and then for the next 10 days, every day they receive an email with education, and that will send them back to your thank you page so they can learn more and also follow you on the passive income programs. Very important to rebrand all the buttons with your affiliate links, and at the bottom of this thank you page there will be another button where you put your affiliate link for the entire funnel. That will take them to the bridge page where you might earn up to $440 per sale if they decide to duplicate the funnel as well. So the first place or the first time they will be exposed to the funnel is when they subscribe to your email list. There will be this bridge page that will show up, and on the following days there will be the button at the bottom of this page that will send them back to your affiliate link here. So everything is done for you. All you have to do is set it up and stick your affiliate links to every button on the thank you page, the capture page, and also when you download or import the 10 follow-up emails, it will automatically ask you to enter the thank you page URL, your thank you page URL, so it will be embedded into all the emails, also with your first name.